Welcome to the function. I'm glad that there's a large turnout. About a little more than 160 people are live on this program today. Roughly 230 students are graduating either with a PhD or a MS degree, and it's heartening to see that there's a large turnout. Some of you are already, taken to your new institutes, new surroundings, moving to different countries, and I really appreciate that cutting across time zones, people are here on this meeting. Now, these are really trying times. The last 8 months have been very difficult for all of us. They have been probably more difficult for you than many other students because you were really looking forward to graduating, completing one very important stage in your lives. Unfortunately, the pandemic hit us all and threw a lot of things out of gear. But resilience is a hallmark of every successful person, and I'm sure all of you will take the trouble to fight whatever nature throws at you and come out trumps. You must have already made plans to move on to your new situations, and I wish you success in that. This pandemic also meant that we could not have the usual convocation that we always do every year, a big annual function for any academic institution. I mean, although we could not have the convocation for reasons that were well beyond our control, we feel it is important to acknowledge your success and felicitate you for your achievements. And that really is the purpose of today's brief meeting. Once again, welcome and thank you for joining this function. Now, a little bit about some administrative matters. The academic office has already been in touch with you to uh, find out ways to courier your degrees to you and so on. And the certificates are all ready. We'll start dispatching them soon after this function, starting tomorrow. In fact, some of you have already collected your degrees in person. Okay, so things are all under control at the moment, and I'm sure you'll receive your degree certificates at home or whatever address you're given maybe a week or 10 days. This long spell of 5 or 6 years has been a very important phase in your life. The undergraduate students came here just out of school, spent 5 or sometimes 6 years learning a lot of things, learning new ways of life, learning so many other things that they would otherwise not have experienced. These are very important formative stages. I hope that your stay at ICER was a fruitful one, and it at least met, if not exceeded, your expectations. For PhD students, again, this must have been a very different phase from what they were used to in their BSc and MSc. Learning how to work things out on their own, more or less, without or with little help from others, and maturing into proper scientists. This again requires a lot of dedication on your part, a lot of perseverance, and I'm glad to see that a large number of students from ICER are graduating with PhD degrees. As you step into your new lives, I would like to congratulate you and also wish you all the very best on behalf of all your teachers and the ICER family. Let us now begin the function proper. And Professor Udgavkar, who is with me in his capacity as the chair of the Senate, will award the honors and the degrees. But of course, unlike the convocation, we will not be reading out all names and so on because this is not really a convocation. This is a felicitation function, and all of you who are eager to have participate in a convocation are welcome to come back to a convocation whenever we have it next. But please do inform us in time. We will make arrangements for that. What we are going to do now is quickly go through a very brief summary of the degrees that have been awarded in this academic year. We'll begin with the PhD and the dual MS PhD degrees. A total of 76 students are graduating with a PhD degree. This includes 21 from the iPhD program, and these 21, of course, are getting dual degrees, masters, as well as the PhD. 5 students from the iPhD program are graduating with a MS degree. They have chosen to leave the PhD program and graduate with just the master's degree. If you look at how these degrees are distributed department-wise, chemistry department has the largest share of PhD awardees, followed by biology, and followed by physics, and 4 degrees in maths is the smallest number. We also have 21 MS PhD degrees, with the largest number in physics, followed by chemistry, followed by biology. Our young department, the Earth Sciences, does not still yet have a doctoral degree awarded, but I'm sure very soon we will see Earth Sciences PhD degrees also coming up. Okay, that's the summary of the MS and PhD degrees. We won't be reading out all the names, it's a long list and not really appropriate for this function. After this, I'll come to the undergraduates. The undergraduate degrees, there are 168 students in all, out of which 164 are graduating with dual BSMS degrees, and 4 students are graduating with a BS degree. Okay. 27 students, which is quite a large number, are graduating with distinction. So distinction means that they have earned their BSMS degrees with a CGPA greater than 9. And I would like to read out these names because it's really an honor to be in the distinction category at your master's level. There are 4 in biology: Koparkar Avni, Archa Tadi, Naveen Korat Zakaria, Jayakrishnan Nallappa in biology, Sharil Shreyas, Bhakti Prasad Rao, and Sanjini Bhattacharya in chemistry. Then there are students in mathematics with a CGPA greater than 9: Adityan, Rajdeep Haldar, Vishnu, Sriram Raghunath, Sujit Bhalerao, Sayantika Mandal, Arghya Rakshit, and Nishad Bapadar. Then we have the list in physics, which is the longest list. Kush Mohan, Ashwin Gopal, Rohit Shashikant Patil, Joshi Yash Jayant, Sachin Verlekar, Ragini Patki, Palash Jitendra Singh, Radhika, Shivani Lomte, and Madhav Sinha. Devesh Verma graduates with ECS specialization with distinction, and Shreya Lakhera graduates with distinction, but he has chosen not to specialize in any particular discipline. That's the summary of 27 students with distinctions. And let us join our hands and give a loud applause to all those who have graduated. We perhaps may not be able to hear everyone across this virtual screen, and maybe most of your mics are mute, so I don't know whether you heard us. Whether we hear you are clapping. If you look at this department-wise, the graduating students are the most in physics, 48, 46 in biology, followed by 32 in chemistry, 17 in mathematics, and 3 in ECS. And 16 students have chosen not to specialize in any particular discipline. That's the summary for the BSMS. So after this summary, we will now come to very specific awards that we always give out at every convocation. And these awards are in 2 categories. The first category is the PhD awards, which are given for the best thesis in each discipline. So, Professor Udgavkar, I'll read out the awards, and I request you to show these certificates and the medals to our students. And these, of course, will be sent to you very carefully. Don't worry about that. So the first awardee is in biology. These are all Zeitel Best PhD Thesis Awards. The award in biology goes to Amit Kumar. His thesis title is Investigating the Functions of Polycomb Groups Proteins in Potato Development. And I'll read out his citation. The citation of his work is as follows. For doctoral research, Amit Kumar worked on potato development, the 3rd most important food crop on the planet. Working with Professor A.K. Banerjee in the biology department, he uncovered fascinating epigenetic regulation that govern the potato development process and control key tuberization genes. Exploring advanced genomic tools, he identified more than 12,000 genes that are potentially involved in the regulation of key target genes in the complex pathway of tuberization. Through expression of STMSI1 gene in potato, he demonstrated the crucial crosstalk mechanism between microRNA 156 and STMSI1 that regulate the aerial tuber phenotype. So congratulations, Amit. I request you to accept the award.
Congratulations, Amit. All the best. I am very happy to know that my research work has been selected for Best PhD Thesis Award from Biology Department this year. It has been a great learning experience to work as a PhD student at IISER Pune. This journey certainly would not have been possible without constant support and motivation from my PhD supervisor, Professor Anjan Banerjee. I sincerely hope that our research work in potato will help farmers to increase its production and can contribute to tackle food security issues. In the end, I would like to thank my all lab members, my friends and family, as well as Biohazard cricket team that kept this journey very pleasant throughout my PhD work at IISER Pune. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. Let us now go to the next Best Thesis Award. The Zytel Best PhD Thesis Award in Chemistry goes to T. Vijayakant. So, Vijay, I hope you are there. I'll read out the citation. Vijayakant's thesis title is Organo and Aminophosphonium Cation-derived ferro and piezoelectric materials and their utility in mechanical energy harvesting applications. Vijayakant's doctoral work was on the development of organic and hybrid organic-inorganic ferroelectric materials and utilization of these for energy harvesting and storage applications. Working in the research group of Professor R. Bhumishankar, he has synthesized novel heteroleptic binary salts based on phosphonium cations and explored their linear and nonlinear dielectric properties. His findings established the first examples of all organic and low cost hybrid nanogenerators based on composites of ferroelectric phosphonium salts and commercial polymers. Congratulations, Vijayakant. I request you to accept this award.
Congratulations, Vijayakant.
So much for the Best Thesis Award in Chemistry. It gives me a great honor and happiness to receive this award. First of all, I would like to thank my research supervisor, Professor R. Bhumishankar, for nominating me this award. Without his contribution throughout the entire PhD life, it is not easy to receive this award. I also would like to thank Chair Chemistry and all the selection committee members for their support in receiving this award. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to IISER Pune Director and all the convocation committee members for arranging this convocation function in virtual mode. I want to dedicate this award to one of the very close friends. He is no more with us. I know this is a convocation function, but I still want to say that the infrastructure facility in the campus for sports is awesome, particularly cricket. Finally, I would like to thank my all the lab mates and all the cricketing friends over here, particularly my team, Alchemist team players, for their happiness throughout my entire PhD life. And I would like to congratulate all the other winners and thanks to everyone.
Thank you, Vijayakant. Let us then go over to the next award, the Zytel Best PhD Thesis Award in Mathematics. This award goes to Girish Muralidhar Kulkarni. The title of his thesis is Gaber's Presentation Lemma. Girish's PhD thesis is in the area of algebraic geometry. In a joint work with his supervisor, Dr. Amit Hogadi, Girish gave a proof of Gaber's presentation lemma for finite fields, which is a fundamental result in the study of topology of varieties. Girish is also well known for his excellent teaching skills. He is currently in Wuppertal, Germany as a postdoctoral fellow, from where he has joined our meeting today. Girish, I congratulate you and request you to accept this award.
Congratulations, Girish.
Good afternoon, all. First of all, I would like to thank the committee for giving me this award. I am very grateful to my guide Dr. Amit Hogadi for his constant support and valuable and timely advice. I also want to thank my wife, father and mother for their continued support throughout my career. It has been an interesting journey in IISER, which academically and personally has enhanced me very much. I also want to thank academic and administrative staff at IISER for their support. Finally, I would like to thank previous and current directors of IISER for maintaining encouraging and conducive atmosphere for research at the institute. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Girish. We now go to the last PhD Best Thesis Award in Physics. The physics awardee is Amit Bhunia. Amit Bhunia's thesis title is studying the physics of excitons in semiconductor quantum hectostructures. Amit's study, under the supervision of Dr. Shavik Datta, was focused on novel experimental signatures of bound states of electron hole pairs or excitons, which had traditionally been studied using optical spectroscopy. Amit, however, showed that capacitance and photocapacitance spectroscopy can also be used as efficient experimental tools to probe these dipolar excitonic complexes. These studies on excitonic quantum capacitance are expected to help in quantum control and solid state quantum computations in the future. Amit is currently a research associate with us in the physics department, and he is also a recipient of the DST Inspire Scholarship as well as the Newton Bhabha PhD Placement Fellowship. He has worked collaboratively with the University of Nottingham, UK, and he has plans to work abroad in the future. So, Amit, may I request you to please accept the award and accept our congratulations for the same.
Congratulations, Amit.
I am delighted to accept this award. Thank you, Professor Bhash, Professor Jayant, and other committee members for selecting my name for this award. The journey of IISER Pune was quite memorable and cherishable too, and I have come across many people who have contributed significantly by sharing their affection, knowledge, and support. First of all, I would like to thank my supervisor, Professor Shavik Datta, for his constant support, guidance, and valuable suggestions during these years. I would like to thank my RSC members and collaborators too for their valuable and insightful inputs during the RSC meetings and other research-related meetings. Working in experimental lab, you need to get the support from your technical teams, and specifically in this regard, I would like to thank Nilesh sir and team for sorting out various lab-related issues during these years. The official documentation is also an important part, and I would like to thank Mr. Prabhakar, Mr. Tushar, and Mrs. Sayali for helping me out for this official documentation. I would also like to thank my lab members present and past for their assistance in experimental lab setup and valuable discussion and suggestions. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my family members, my parents, and also friends for their affection, support, and love. Because of them, what I am today. Thank you all again.
Thanks, Amit. All Zeitel Best PhD Thesis Awards carry a certificate, a medal, and a cash prize. We now go over to the Zeitel Best MS Thesis Awards. This year, due to the changed circumstances, some departments elected not to award the Best MS Thesis. Chemistry, Earth Sciences, and Physics have awarded the Best Thesis Awards this year. The MS Best Thesis Awards consist of certificates and cash prizes. The first award, which I'll read out, is in chemistry. The chemistry award goes to Shana Shirin. Shana is currently in Strasbourg. I hope she's joined us. I don't see her yet on the screen, but let me read out the citation. Shana Shirin worked on metal ion assisted channeling of substrates in gold nanoparticle catalyzed reactions. Her thesis reveals the counterintuitive role of reducing agents in nanoparticle catalyzed reactions. Overall, the study shows how simple variations in the reaction conditions can have significant impacts in the field of nanoparticle catalysis. Shirin, I congratulate you on this award and request you to accept it.
Congratulations, Shirin.
Thank you, sir. I'm gladly accept this award. It's my pleasure. I would like to add some more lines to it. Before that, I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy during this pandemic situation. I'm really happy to get this opportunity to share my sincere gratitude towards IISER community, which I couldn't do it before because of this unusual ending. First of all, I'm thanking the chemistry department of IISER Pune for considering me to this category of Best Thesis Awards. I know it is a bit difficult to thank people who are the part of my life in the last 5 years, probably in future too, in 1 or 2 minutes. Still, I will give it a try. First of all, my thesis supervisor, Dr. Pramod Pillai, and my lab mates, especially Anish. I would like to thank them. They were my constant support and they gave valuable suggestions and helping hands throughout my project. I would like to dedicate this award to them. It was a great learning experience and fun also. I would like to thank Director of IISER Pune, Chair of Chemistry Department, and all the faculties and administrative staffs. Last but not least is my friends and family. I'm sure without them, the life at ICER will not complete. So, once again, thank you all. Please stay safe and healthy.
Thank you, Shirin. We now go over to the Best MS Thesis Award in Earth and Climate Sciences. This award goes to Devesh Verma, who has worked on petrogenesis of Proterozoic lamprey from the western Dharwad Craton in South India. His work focuses on lithospheric evolution of the western Dharwad Craton, one of the oldest geological provinces. He conducted detailed chemical and microscopic analysis of a specific type of igneous rock, the lamprophyres. His findings provide important insight about the subsurface geology of this region and shed light on the tectonic setting of the early continental lithosphere. Devesh, I congratulate you on this award and request you to accept the same.
Congratulations, Devesh.
Thank you, sir. I accept the award. Good afternoon, everyone. I am honored and grateful to be receiving this award. And so I would like to thank the following people without whom this could not have been possible. I thank my mentors, Dr. N.V. Chalpati Rao and his entire research group back at Banaras Hindu University, Department of Geology. I thank Dr. Shreyas Mangave for mentoring me through all the years in Earth and Climate Sciences, and all the other faculty members who have educated me so well at ICER. Also thank my friends, especially the first floor people, for making ICER life an unforgettable experience for me, and my family, foremost, to recognize the value of good education and supporting me in my interests in research. In 5 years, I have got to know science, society, and sensibility, and all the confidence, happiness, and satisfaction that I have gathered over this time, I owe it all to you. It's been a real pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Devesh. We come to the last Best MS Thesis Award. This is in physics. The Physics Award goes to J. Bharati Kannan. The title of his thesis is Many-Body Dynamical Localization and Thermalization in Coupled Kick Rotors. Bharati Kannan worked on the problem of quantum many-body localization in coupled kick rotors. This topic has elements of both quantum chaos and condensed matter physics, and he systematically studied several 2- and 3-dimensional coupled kick rotors. In this, he found new results for quantum resonances and anti-resonances, for which he had obtained analytical and numerical results. Quantum resonances in chaotic systems lead to ballistic transport, whereas anti-resonances lead to localization-like scenarios. Both provide beautiful examples of phase-coherent effects in chaotic quantum systems. This work represents the first one. This is the first one to explore quantum resonances in higher dimensional coupled chaotic systems. Remarkably, he has displayed thoroughness in both analytical and numerical work and has shown exceptional ability in making progress towards solving non-trivial problems. Bharati Kannan plans to pursue a PhD in physics, but in the current state of limbo, he is still with us and he will join group of his choice later in the year. So,
Congratulations, Bharti.
Bharti, I am sure you're here. I request you to accept the award.
I would like to start off by thanking the committee for selecting me to receive this prestigious award. I'm extremely honored by it. I would like to thank my parents for providing me such a great opportunity to study at ICER. And I would like to thank my friends who had been an integral part of my journey here at ICER. Mainly, I would like to thank Professor Santanam and Professor Srijit for their guidance, their constant support, and just being a great mentor to me. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
So let us go to the last award in today's ceremony. This is the Institute Gold Medal, the Best Outgoing BSMS Student. This award goes to Sriram Raghunath. Sriram is currently in the US. He wrote yesterday to say that he will be with us in the meeting, although it is probably, 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. in the morning for him. Sriram Raghunath is his batch topper. The Institute Gold Medal goes to him. Sriram, let me read out your citation. Sriram Raghunath tops the 2015 batch with an outstanding CGPA of 9.9, specializing in mathematics. His record in coursework is unprecedented, never missing an A grade. and crowning that feat with 20 outstanding grades over 8 semesters of courses and projects. For his MS thesis, Sriram studied hyperbolic knot theory, more specifically the geometric ideal triangulations of cusped hyperbolic three manifolds. As part of his thesis work, he, in joint collaboration with Dr. Tejas Kalelkar, proved an extension of a certain finiteness result about a common geometric subdivision of two geometric ideal triangulations of a cusped hyperbolic three manifold. This award consists of a medal, a certificate, and a cash prize. Sriram, are you there? Congratulations.
Congratulations, Sriram. I think we should first clap for him.
Sriram, I request you to accept the award.
Yeah, thank you so much for presenting me with this award. 5 years at ICER have just passed by so quickly, and they have been a really wonderful period of my life. I would like to thank everyone who made this period so enjoyable. My parents and my family for always supporting me in all my endeavors. My friends for making this time really enjoyable. All my professors for really believing in me and for nurturing my potential, and for all the admin and server staff for working dedicatedly behind the scenes to make our life easy and smooth in ICER. All the best to everyone for all their future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Sriram. This is Sriram's certificates, BS, MS dual degrees. This is what each one of you will receive at home. BS and MS dual degree certificates, your transcripts, and your migration and leaving certificates. Okay, these are, of course, your graduating transcript. All this will reach you by courier in the next 10 days or so. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the award function. And I now request Professor Udgaonkar to address the gathering, and after which we will sign the graduation register.
I'd like to begin by congratulating each and every one of you. You have all gone through pretty rigorous programs. The BSMS program is perhaps one of the most rigorous undergraduate programs in the country. I'm sure you have all learned a lot about the subjects which you chose to study, learned a lot about life in general, and learned a lot to become a lifelong self-learner. You are going to be needing to learn throughout your lives, and I hope that you're going to be able to do this as well as you have done at the Institute. This is a program which we had to felicitate the ones who have done best in terms of theses, research, and also academically. But doing well is not just about doing well at one point in your life. We expect and we are sure that all of you will do well and continue to do well throughout your lives, that you will put in the requisite effort and work and dedication to continue to do well in life, and for yourselves, for your families, for your country, and of course for ICER Pune. There's no doubt in my mind that you'll be able to achieve a lot given the type of education you have received at the Institute. So I have never been in a select group of students getting distinctions or medals. I have always envied those students. I felt like stealing the gold medal which Sriram was awarded. But I guess I couldn't. So Sriram, you will get your medal, don't worry.
I'm keeping watch.
Bhas is keeping watch. No, so it's important that I hope that you've all enjoyed your time at ICER. It's been a terrible ending for all of you, that you have not been able to come. We have not been able to hold a convocation for you. But hopefully things will get better, and that you will be able to function much, much better wherever you go next. I wish you all the best for your future activities. And I'm sure, as I said before, you will bring honor and you will make us proud of what you achieve wherever you go next. So congratulations once more. All the best.
Okay, so now let us complete the process by you signing the graduation register.
Okay, so this is the graduation register which I have to sign, which essentially means that you all have graduated and are formally have formally received your degrees.
So this register contains names of every person that has graduated from IISER Pune, either with a PhD or a BSMS degree. And as you can see, yours is the last year and there are many more pages to go. We look forward to future graduation ceremonies and also hope that some of you will be able to come back to IISER Pune in the near future and we could have a nice chat. To formally close the function, I would request our registrar, Colonel Shekhar, to propose a vote of thanks, after which the function will come to an end.
Good afternoon, dear students and parents. It is my privilege to acknowledge and express our gratitude to many people who have been a part of the journey culminating in this valedictory function today. Our sincere thanks to the director for being there for all of us, the faculty, staff, and students whenever we needed his guidance and advice. Our special thanks and good wishes are due to the students of the Institute and in particular to the graduating students. I would also like to compliment the parents and guardians of all the students who have joined us virtually and for the confidence reposed in the Institute. The faculty of the Institute needs special mention for having strived hard in graduating the 2015 batch. Professor Bas, the Dean Academics, and Dipali Dalvi, the Assistant Registrar in the Academic Section, deserves a special mention for meticulously working on all the minute details culminating in this valedictory function. This entire machinery of the Institute would not move smoothly and effortlessly but for the dedicated and wholehearted work put in by the administrative and the technical staff. A special word of appreciation and thanks to housekeeping and security who ensured that everything functions normally even during these abnormal and challenging times of the pandemic. The members of the various committees of the institutes who are a constant source of support to the students and the administration need a special mention. I would like to once again thank one and all who joined us in this valedictory function. Thank you very much.
Wish you all the very best. And as you move out of your alma mater to new arenas and new phase of your lives, I wish you success on behalf of everyone at IISER Pune. Thank you for coming and all the best. Bye.
Goodbye.